Make a great choice today with 2021 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, LED headlights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.